How to use Oligo Calura Gloss. Mixing ratio. Combine 1 part Calura Gloss color with 1 part developer. Developer selection. Use Calura Gloss Lotion Developer, 7 volume 2% for best results. Application. Apply the mixture to damp, towel-dried hair. Processing time. Gray blending, 5 to 20 minutes. Toning or refreshing, 3 to 10 minutes depending on desired intensity. Rinse and style. After processing, rinse thoroughly and style as usual. Customization with mixers. Calura Gloss offers a range of mixers to adjust tone and intensity. Neutralizers. Balance unwanted warm tones, red, orange, yellow. These mixers can be added up to 25% of the total formula. Tips for best results. No lift. Calura Gloss does not lighten natural hair color. It adds tone and shine. Alcohol-free formula, suitable for clients with sensitive scalps or those seeking a gentler coloring option. Shop hair color and hair care products on SellerSpree.com.